Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Salesforce for lead management, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the setup menu by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner. In the quick find box, type lead settings. Click on lead settings from the results. Review the default lead assignment rule. If necessary, click edit to modify the default settings. Enable any features that suit your business needs, such as lead conversion. Next, go back to the Setup menu. Type lead fields in the Quick Find box. Select lead fields from the menu. Here, you can customize fields to fit your business model. Add new fields by clicking on the New button. Select the field type that you require, such as text or checkbox. Define field attributes, including name and help text. Save the new field to update your lead layout. Now, navigate to the Page Layouts section in Setup. Find and click on Lead Page Layouts. Choose the page layout you wish to edit. Drag and drop your newly created fields into the desired location on the layout. Save your changes to the page layout. Next, go back to the Setup menu. Type Lead Assignment Rules in the Quick Find box. Select Lead Assignment Rules from the results. Click New to create an assignment rule. Name your rule and set it as active if necessary. Click on Rule Entries to configure criteria for lead assignment. Add your criteria, such as lead source or industry type. Save the assignment rule once all criteria are configured. Now, return to the Setup menu. Type Lead Queues in the Quick Find box. Select Lead Queues. Click New to create a new lead queue. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.